Hey everyone, this is Shakir, and with me you will be learning Laravel. In this course, we will learn Laravel from scratch, but before we start, you will need, of course, to have basic knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. You don't need to be expert in JavaScript, especially. You will need to have a basic foundation of PHP, and you will need to know what is SQL and what are tables, how to deal with them, and stuff like this. In Laravel, you can work with your local host, which means you can download XAMPP and create your local server. But here we will be using Laragon for that purpose. I will teach you how to download Laragon in the next video. This is just an overview of our course, and we will be learning here, guys, by creating a project from scratch, a real project, real world project from scratch. This project will be whenever we meet a new concept, I will explain the concept. I will show you an example on how to apply that concept in our project. For that purpose, I went to this nice website, which is Template Moom. In this website, I decided to take the first template I find, which is this one. So if we take a look together, this is the first time I see this template. We will be working on this project. What is this project? It's a small real estate website where we are creating a website to sell villas, okay, or to promote villas. So as you can see, this is the header of the website. Then we have here we have the front end, the hero section. Also we have the featured section here, where we have best apartment and sea view. We have this the description here, the icons here, which is the specifications or features of this apartment. And then we have this new section where we have a video. We have also some buildings, some information here. Also we have best deal, find your best deal right now. We have apartment, villa house, penthouse, etc. You can click on any of them and you will open a new section. Also we have these clicks, as you see, these buttons we call them call to action. If we click on them, you will see another page where you can, I think, contact with them or something like that, but here it's not working. We will make this work. So this is the homepage. We were just scrolling it. We also have we provide the best property you like. We have listings here, as you can see. We have some properties, they are listing it here. With each property you can find the image, the category here, the price, also the title of the item itself, the property, the features of the property. And also we have another section here, which is contact us section, where we have a map. And also we have a form that we can fill some information in it. We will learn how to submit forms and how to handle forms in Laravel. Also finally we have here what we call it some information, which is the contact information, and a very simple footer. So this is it, guys, for the home page. In the properties page, we will have properties. Of course, listing of our properties, or you can call it our products. So, and we have pagination. We can learn all of that together. And then we have property details, which is a single property page. So if you open one property from here, it's supposed to lead you to this page here. And as you can see, we have all the details about the property, the size, the contract, the payment, also some feature here, which is safety. We have the title, the description, and we have some useful links here, some more information. Also the final page here is the contact us, which have some information about how to reach this company or our company in this example, and also the form page where you can submit a form. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. This course, I promise you, by the end of this course, you will know Laravel from scratch. You will be expert with Laravel. You will be ready to find a job. And also, guys, you will fall in love with Laravel just like I do. So subscribe and wait me. I will be posting at least 2 videos a week till we finish this course, free course. It will be really advanced, from beginner level to advanced level. Just excuse my English, guys, I'm not a native speaker. So that's it for this video. See you in another video.